I'm going to show you a really easy technique today to make the absolute juiciest smoked chicken breast ever. Hey, a lot of people will avoid chicken breasts on the grill or the smoker because they're so easy to dry out. They'll stick with the chicken thighs. Trust me, you watch what I do here today, you'll be making juicy smoked chicken breasts way more often. I got 4 chicken breasts here. Louisiana hot sauce. You don't need much. I'm just going to use this for my binder. You could use a little duck fat. You could use a little coconut oil. You could use olive oil if you really wanted. Don't worry, for those of you, oh, I don't like spicy, it will not make your chicken spicy. What we're going to do is kind of dry brine it. This is the Salt Lick Dry Rub Garlic. Mostly salt, pepper, garlic. It does have some spices in it as well. Look, if you don't want to use this, just use some salt. You could use salt only. You could come in with the little pepper behind it. But salt is what causes the dry brining. The reason I kind of like to use this combination is that salt kind of open up, I don't know if it's called pores or not, whatever you call it in chicken, but as that salt opens up the chicken a little bit, it pulls that seasoning, that flavoring in the chicken a little bit. So I'm just going to finish getting these all seasoned up. And then I'm going to let them sit for about an hour. Put these back in the fridge so this can get all tacky. But you can see that seasoning gives this chicken just a beautiful color. Chicken is looking real tacky. You can see it's got a little moisture there. That's exactly what you want when you're doing a dry brine. Now we're going to get this chicken on our smoker. Got the plate setter in so we get the indirect heat. What I'm going to do here down this end is drop a few chunks of, I've got some Applewood here around the edge. Hopefully we'll get a little smoke. You can turn this to get a few pieces spread around it. Get our lid back down, or get our grill grate back down, our lid down. I'm going to run this chicken today right around 275 degrees. It'll help us cook a little quicker and we'll still get plenty of smoke. Hey, it's been 50 minutes. Let's check on this chicken. You can see that chicken's got beautiful color on it, right? We're up to about 155, 156. You can see it's just got a beautiful color on it. It's got all the smoke it's going to take. Now let's move into the next step. And what we're going to do is I got 2 pats of butter here. Just like so. I'm going to come in here with some honey. This happens to be hot honey. You don't have to use hot honey. Put our chicken on here. I'm going to wrap this chicken up. All right, there's our butter right up here on top. Now it's on the bottom. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to come back over this way. Come back with this side. There we go. Perfect. Got another piece of butcher paper. Right. 2 more pats of butter. Again, honey. Now we'll get that last piece of chicken over here. Sit it on this butter and honey. We're just going to wrap it up. Got our butter up here. You can feel it. It's cold. Fold it over like this. Fold it over again. And see, now we got our butter on top. So when we put them back on the smoker, that butter will be dripping down. Let's get them back on our smoker here. Get our lid down. It's been another 15 minutes, so we're looking at an hour, 5 minutes total. The chicken is probing 163. You want it to be 165. It'll come up a couple of degrees. One of the smaller pieces is already probing 165. All right, let's have a look here. Look at the juice on that chicken. Can you see that? There it is up close. You can see the moisture here. Juice right on top. I'm going to turn this guy over so you can see the other side. I'm telling you, just look at that. I'm going to put this one here. Set these butcher paper aside. Just look at that chicken. That butter, that honey. We got our final piece out there. We're going to cut in them here in just a second. We're going to let them cool down just a little bit. Going to give them a taste test and see if they're just as juicy inside as they are on the outside. This recipe, as you can see, is super simple, right? Your favorite seasoning, you smoke it for a bit, you wrap it in some butter and honey just to finish it off, and you got some juicy chicken breasts. So let's cut into it. You can see it's really tender. Cut all the way in here, say to the middle, and then we'll have a look. How about there? Just look how juicy that chicken is. Juice coming out of that chicken. It is full of juice. And look how tender it is. Let's give it a taste. The juiciest chicken ever. And that garlic rub we put on there gives it a nice, salty, spicy flavor on the outside. I'm telling you, you've got to try this chicken. I've got 2 more chicken videos right down below.